bent down that way sitting on the frame. So that's why the reason why I said just help them out a little bit when you pull them out, you shake them, and it's not snag, and just help them out. Whatever else, before I spray coil, I make sure that I got it all
That's what I wanted the white lifting grease for.
And this way, don't just pull it, just slowly let it be, just slide in, don't like pull all the way. You know, like that, the oil. There you go. Make sure your rubber is okay. I did. This one is, you don't have to rinse the oil that I use, so I did rinse it already. Do that. Make sure that this one is tight. Balance it, you know. Just gonna make your own judgment. Am I more to left or more to right? So you just need to like balance it right through the corner. So it won't make that shaft. Put back all the screws together.
This in here.
That's it.